Hi guys, we have here 2015 BMW 750 Li. I'm going to show you how to replace your interior AC, HVAC, cabin, POLLEN filters, and we're going to need to go under the passenger side. These need to be replaced every 10,000 miles, remember, or every 2 oil changes. So we're going to get to this is before we can take these out is you need to take several things out, and basically we have this 10mm and this T20 Torx, and same thing on this side here to get this airbag out of the way so we can drop this down. And also this needs to be out of the way. It has a T20 Torx here on the left side too. So let's get into it. That's the T20. Okay. Sometimes you can drop these, but not in this case because I believe it's under the airbag, and we need to release this one here. Okay, and this one just kind of it needs to slide forward just like that because it has these this thing has these slides here, the sliding clips right here and here. So you take this out because this has to drop down here, this plastic piece. And the next thing is, let's remove the airbag. You don't need to remove this airbag, you just need to get it out of the way. If you try to unplug it, you're gonna trigger the airbag light. So here we go. It's actually part of this plastic cover. Okay, yeah. Now in order to get this out, we're gonna have to unplug not the airbag, because the airbag is right here, but we need to unplug the doom light that's in the middle of this thing and disconnect it. And then it has a cigarette lighter here on the left side. So what you can do is here's the light, and that's the plug for the light. You just kind of pull it and it will unplug. You can kind of actually put this on the side of the car, the airbag, just like this, just out of the way, so you can actually maneuver and take care of the rest of the stuff. And now we have exposed the box where this where the filters are, so they're right here, and we're going to have several T20 Torx again before we can open this. And the T20 Torx is one is here all the way to the back, one is in the front, one is here, and there's always one hidden right next to this piece right here. And check for, yeah, I think the back is just slides into clips. Yeah, so these should be about 4 of these T20 Torx that we need to remove. And I'm going to start with the one in the back. to guide this tool. Okay, one is here, one is here. Okay, and then this one here, and then this one here, and as you can see, this thing is releasing. And be prepared, because most of the times when I open these, I mean, I'm not sure how people don't know about these. Maybe the places they go, they never tell them, but this is gonna be another one. It's gonna be really bad, so you need to replace these every 10,000 miles. Just look at the cover condition, so you can guess that this is gonna be a really bad one. And you can just try to grab these, and of course all this dirt is coming out, and yeah, this is gonna be bad, leaves and dirt and everything. So get this out. Make sure you remember the airflow direction. The airflow direction in this case is right here. It's toward the front. So this is the filter, and this is the shape of this thing. It's extremely bad. Remember, these help to protect you from bacteria, dirty air and everything. So these must be replaced, or should be replaced, every 10,000 miles. You shouldn't have this dirt here and all these things that are coming apart. I mean, this is really bad. So 10,000 miles, please, people. This is what you breathe if you don't replace them. And here we're gonna get the second one out. Yeah, it is stuff coming out. I mean, it's just bad. Okay, to show you what came out of the cabin filters, all of this. So at some point, when all of this gets in the filters, it'll clog the filters, and then the air conditioning or the blower inside will struggle to work, and you are risking of burning modules. Maybe the blower, most likely the blower, but then because of the resistance in the blower, you could start burning modules inside the car. So again, this is damage to your HVAC system. Please replace these every 10,000 miles. Okay, the new filters are right here. Hengst filters, that's the model on these. These are the actual filters. And again, we need to follow the direction of these, and the direction is forward. So before we can install them, just make sure everything is clean. I just vacuumed this car to get rid of everything that came out, and I'm gonna install these now. Again, direction is forward. Okay, the back one is a little bit tricky. Okay, so we're gonna install the back one first, and make sure you, okay, it needs to go the way up, and you gotta twist it a little bit and push it up. Okay, again, direction is forward, and same way for the back one, and push it up. Okay, and this one will clip with these here, these slots, they will clip right here. So just get them get them in first and make sure the white seal actually goes inside of a specific slot here, otherwise it won't fit. And I'm going to install this one of the guiding bolts first, this one here. So I'm going to get this one first here and install it. Once it stops, that's it. Don't over tight because you will break the plastic. And the next one to remember is there's one here, and okay, this one is ready. And there are two more. One is back here on the side right here, and here we go. Okay, and then the one hidden behind this piping here, it's in a very specific place again. And here we go. Should be easier for you to install it now because I can see the head of the bolt. And that's it. Make sure this connection should be connected. That's the drain piping for any condensation coming out of the AC system here. And that one is supposed to leak outside. That's what it does. Actually has a 90-degree piping connection here to leak down out of the car. So we got these done. And next thing is we just need to connect the airbag. And again, you need to twist it back in. And remember, you got two things that you need to connect. One is the this external, like a cigarette lighter plug outlet, and then you need to connect the doom light here. And the way this goes, I'm trying to show you. So the way this is gonna slide in is it has these slots here. This slot needs to go inside here, okay, and then you have another one right here for this one on the left side, right in the middle. That's how you slide it. Okay, once you slide it, you can actually you can clip this thing. Okay, the airbag came out of these tiny slots here, so I need to put them back in because it jumped out of these slots. Okay, once this thing is in, where's this thing? Let's see. Okay, see this clips. There are several clips here. Okay, this thing is in, and now we can install the 10mm bolts. Okay, let me grab my ratchet. The 10mm. Okay, right here. this one is done, and I need to install the second one. Okay. Okay, that's right where it's supposed to be. And now we have the 3 T20, and just to guide you, you have, well, the two, okay, you have the two short ones that fit here, and this long one fits on the left side there. So there we go. The T20s, the small ones, fit in the back right here, and you can start it by hand and finish it with your tool. Okay, this one is here. Okay, this one is done, and the last thing is this trim piece that it slides in these slots back there. So you need to slide it first in the two middles. You kind of push it like this, and yeah, there's nothing back there, and you just need to push it back. What is this? Oh, there's got another one here. Okay, this has to go up. Okay, once it goes in here, and now we need to install this one as the last bolt. And that's it. You're actually done with this. This was the replacement of the cabin POLLEN filters for this 2015 BMW 750i. Again, pretty cool car. Again, thanks for watching. Remember, these should be replaced every 10,000 miles. Thanks for watching. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.